Hey guys, today we're on another video. Today we're doing a really quick video about Mr. Philip. Here we have, you want to see something? Mr. Lazy Cat. Look at him sitting. Look, his belly right there, his paw sitting there, his leg like that. I think look, the world's laziest cat. Chilling. And just look. I think this is crazy. I think this is a sign of him being a human. Dun dun dun. Okay guys, that's really much it. Goodbye. Hope you guys enjoyed. Adios. Peeps. Okay, now he's gone.